How to accept Xbox invites on PC. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to sign in into your Xbox account. Enter email address, phone or Skype to log in into your account, or explore various sign-in options to log into your account. Once you have successfully logged in into your Xbox, follow these following steps. In your Xbox, go ahead and navigate to the Settings option. When you tap on the Settings, you will see the option of Notification. Tap on the notification and allow the option of Party and Game Invitation. This will help you to notify when you are invited. Next step, press your Windows and your G key and you will see an interface of options like this. You need to select on the first screen type of icon, then navigate to the Xbox Social. When you tap on it, you will find all of your notifications regarding your invites in here. The most reliable and easiest method is to use your Xbox application, in where right after you receive an invite, a pop-up notification will appear. This will typically show the friend who invited you, what they invited you to, game or party chat, and you can also accept or decline. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.